Welcome to Zirkus Mond.
On the 21st of March 2020, we're supposed to do our grand opening, but something happened.
Coronavirus.
We decided to keep doing shows anyway.
Streaming and internet, online.
We learned a lot, we tried the things, and now we want to share it with you.
Follow us. Today, in this video tutorial, we're gonna show you the basics of streaming. 1.
What do you need to do a streaming?
2.
How to connect your camera?
3.
The sound connection?
4.
Some special tricks from Zirkus Mond?
5.
How to stream to the world?
Online. Because we are in a circus, sometimes the basics are not that easy to find. But we got everything we need.
First, the electricity. 2. A laptop. 3. Internet.
We are ready to choose a platform to stream our video online. YouTube.
You can also stream to any other platform.
Instagram, Facebook, Twitch.
Even you can do all at the same time using a platform called Restream. Anyways.
Yeah, we are not doing that, we don't know how it works. Now that you have your platform, you can choose a streaming software.
With this software you can do a live editing and send everything to your channel.
We are choosing OBS Studio. It's free to download, it's open source, you can find the download link below.
Now we are ready to connect the cameras. The first one and the most easy one is to connect the webcam. Oh, webcam.
Here we are in OBS Studio. We have scenes, source, and the screen. First of all, we're gonna rename the scene. Webcam. And in source, we're gonna add a video capture device. And we're gonna call it webcam source.
Here we are! Look at yourself! It's already recognized your integrated webcam. It is that easy. Just click OK and here we are!
Webcam easy.
Another easy camera to connect is an external webcam.
Like this beautiful Action Cam Kumox HD. I don't know what the fuck is that.
To connect an external webcam,
we create a new scene called External Webcam. And we go here to add a new source, a new video capture device. Let's call it External blah blah blah. Click OK. And here you can choose your new device. Here we are!
If you want to connect more cameras and you are a professional, you can get all of them connected through HDMI to a HDMI capture card.
But we don't have that. Then what can we do? For example, we got a Canon camera. And to connect this camera, you will need a software called EOS.
It's very easy to use. Connect your Canon through USB to your computer and then you get the video flow with the software of EOS Utility.
Let's start the software once you have connected your camera, of course. Camera settings, remote shooting. Here we click. Click live view shot. Whoa, here we are. Let's put this screen big. Bam. And now, this is a crazy trick. We are here in OBS. We're gonna create a new scene called Canon 1. Okay. We're gonna get a Windows capture. This allows you to capture any windows running on your computer. Canon source. Okay. And here we are. You can choose between all your windows here, but this is the right one, so we keep it. And we click OK. And now here's the little problem. You have to resize the screen. Here we are.
Yo!
There is a little problem. This is a classic problem we have. A little white square in the middle of the screen. Don't worry, here is the trick. We go in EOS Utility and we start recording. And BAM! It disappeared! You cannot switch between all your scenes. Here you have the GoPro, here you have the webcam, and here you have the Canon. I will show you something even cooler. You can click here Studio Mode.
A studio mode!
And you have, this is the window of your live stream, and this is your preview window, so you can choose which camera you're gonna use next, and then do the transition whenever you want. Isn't it wonderful?
You can do the same with a Sony camera.
Using a software called Remote. You can also find the download link below.
Another cool possibility is to use the camera of your phone.
You can use an application called Droidcam and connect through Wi-Fi to OBS Studio.
What do we have to do, Simon?
Very easy. First you have to download an app called Droid. Look, here it is. Droid. And here you can see something called Wi-Fi IP. Look at this number, you will need it later. Now let's go on the computer.
Let's go on the computer.
Open your client Droidcam that you have downloaded and installed too. And here you can write the device IP, the number that was on your phone, remember? And click start.
Voila!
And now you know what you have to do. You can open the windows bigger here. Boom! And then, very easy, we create a new scene called phone. Windows capture. Source. Okay. And here it is, Droidcam video. Boom! Wow.
What if you want to connect a second Canon camera?
Then you have a problem! You cannot open two EOS Utility on the same computer. So get ready, because now starts the diabolic part. You can connect another computer to OBS Studio using an Ethernet cable and the plugin NDI. Then you can do like all the other process on the second computer using OBS Studio, getting the webcam, getting the Canon through another EOS Utility, and sending all the video flow to the third OBS.
Here we are on your second computer. We already have created a new scene with your second Canon camera and a new source with a second Windows capture of your second Canon camera. We're gonna send this video flow to the first computer. Here in Tools you can see the NDI output settings if you have installed it correctly. You click and you click main output. Okay, now let's go to the first computer again. Here we are on the first computer again. We're gonna get the flow of the second computer through NDI. Let's create a new scene. Call it Computer DOS. We're gonna create a new source, a new. We're gonna leave the name like it is because I am lazy now. We click OK, and here in source name you can see the name of your second computer. You choose it, and here you're gonna choose internal. We don't really know why, but it
Works better.
and you click OK, and here we are. You have the flow of the second computer.
You have the flow.
If you want to connect an external sound card,
This is how you,
sound card,
mixer.
well,
Yeah, we should ask Misha.
Oh. That's a good idea.
Misha.
Misha,
Hello, I will explain a bit about the sound. We have one main mixer. From this mixer we take the microphones. We have two microphones with wire. One room mic that is in the room to get the sound, and three wireless mics. The wireless mics go to the transmitter that go to the mixer with equalizing. We make the analog mixer and not inside the software to have it better controllable. Then we use another music player. I use my computer for it. In the mixer we equalize the microphone. From the mixer we go directly to the sound card. In the mixer we can, if the music should be more silent than the voice, make a live arrangement, so to put the music in the background or in the foreground. From the mixer it goes to the booth. Normally it should be better if you get the sound out of OBS Studio directly, but we don't know how to do it. Give us tips. And that's it.
Now that all our setting is ready, we're gonna show you some special effects from Zirkus Mond.
First Zirkus Mond trick is a green screen. What do you need to have a green screen? First, use a subject. Place it in the middle of the frame. Then you need a green screen with two lights to put some light on it and avoid the shadow of your main subject. Then you need a third light to put some brightness on your beautiful character. And now, let's see how to set it up in OBS.
Now we are inside the computer. I mean, in my back I have the green screen, and we are ready to start with the green screen.
So here we are. Let's take our Canon, which is filming the green screen. Hello, Juan! And we're gonna remove the green screen with some effect. You do a right click on the source, you click filter, you click this little plus here, and you go chroma key. Okay, first we're gonna disable it. Here, we're gonna put the smoothness to 0, and here we're gonna go custom. Select color, pick the screen's color, and here we're gonna choose the green of the green screen. We press OK, then we activate the effect again. Boom! Here we put the similarity to 0. We can change that as we want. That looks pretty good. Now we put a little bit of smoothness to have like smooth things. Wonderful. A very important thing here is like the speed reduction, because if you put it like that, Juan is very green, and if you put it like that, Juan doesn't have color anymore, so you can adjust it as you want. Isn't it wonderful? Oh, we need a background. Let's add a media source. We're gonna click OK. We're gonna browse to the video or the image you want. Here you click Open. OK. Here you have it. You put it under your Canon. And here we are. Juan is fond of a new background. What do you think, Juan?
Wow, that's super cool. Now you can put in the back whatever you want. I like a stylish 90s background, for example. The next trick effect of the tutorial is how to put transparent images on the screen, like a logo or anything you want. How we do that?
So this is how we do it. You go here and you're gonna choose an image. Create new image, and you're gonna browse to a PNG you have prepared with transparent background. Very important. You open it, you click OK, and here it is! You can resize it and put it how you want. You can hide it, show it. Wonderful. You can also add a new source or an existing source in your image. If I go video capture device and I choose something I already have, like the webcam source, and I click OK, and here I can resize it. And now we have the webcam in the webcam! Isn't it wonderful?
Boom! The next trick of the tutorial is how to set shortcuts and use a MIDI controller. how we do that, Simon?
This is very easy. We're gonna first set some easy shortcuts. We go to the setting, hotkeys, and we're gonna set a shortcut to switch directly to the external webcam scene. Switch to scene, we're gonna use the key E, like external webcam. And we're gonna use a shortcut to switch to the webcam scene. Here, switch to scene, W, like webcam. We apply. Okay. And here you can see I can switch between the two scenes using those shortcuts. This is wonderful. Now, how to use the MIDI controller. We're gonna use a software called MIDI 2Key. Very easy, you can download it for free. We give you the download link in the description below. Here you can choose your MIDI device, in our case the BCR 2000. Here you're gonna click Log to Windows and you're gonna press Start. You can see here, when I press a button, it appears. When I press another button, it appears too. The last button I pressed is the button in the top. I will double click on it. And I will give it a key, like for example, W. I save it. And now I will press another button. I double click on it. I give it another key, for example, E. I save it. And now you can see, using those buttons, I can switch between the two scenes.
Genius! That's genius! That is genius! This is gonna make everything more dynamic and entertaining.
Very easy to use.
Oh.
It is amazing.
Now you know everything you need to do a streaming.
Do it from your circus, doing from home. See you on our next show. Enjoy!